Next is the Other section. This is where you'll budget for your everyday spending that doesn't fit into the other categories. To help you get started, common categories such as groceries, transportation, etc. are already included. To start, select the three dots beside each category to open its details. Here you can enter your monthly budget, then record your actual spending throughout the month in the actual column. If you'd like to track additional spending categories, select Add Item. Enter the name of the category, confirm the other category, and enter your monthly budget. You'll also notice a due date field. Since these are flexible spending categories rather than bills, you can simply leave that field blank. Then select Add Item to save your new category. While it's helpful to record your spending as accurately as possible, don't feel like you have to track every single dollar. The goal is to give you a realistic picture of where your money is going, not to create extra stress. For example, you might budget $100 for coffee, snacks, or other small day-to-day purchases. Rather than recording every individual purchase, you can simply track that spending under one category. The important thing is understanding where your money is going each month. As you record your spending, the totals at the top of the section update automatically, making it easy to compare what you've budgeted with what you've actually spent. This section also feeds into the monthly budget breakdown chart below and the Spending Insights page, giving you a clear picture of where your money is going each month.